Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2008 Honda Civic Si. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the battery and put it right into this battery tray. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and put our battery tray or battery protector onto the battery. Alright, that heat shield's in place. Let's go ahead and grab the bracket here and we'll swing this right into that. Grab our nut that we put over to the side and let's secure this down. And we're going to use a size 10 millimeter socket to tie these down. Alright, there it is, nice and secured. Let's go ahead and remove this battery terminal covers. Let's go ahead and put in the positive terminal first and put that there. We're going to use a 10 millimeter to tie this down. Alright, once you have that secured, there it is, had to tie it down a little bit more. Go ahead and cover that, and let's go ahead and put in our negative terminal, and let's go ahead and secure that. Alright, and there it is, both terminals are secured. Let's go ahead and start her up. Alright, we have the radio playing and the beeping. Sweet, and there it is, nice stock SI, ready to rip. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.